sobra yung pasasalamat ko sa inyo na naglalaan kayo ng oras, panahon, kuwari ngayon. Eh, hindi ko naman mababayaran yung oras nyo na nagpunta kayo dito, hindi ba? Sobrang salamat, each and every one of you. I do appreciate. Laban tayo every day. And thank you so much. Maraming salamat talaga sa inyo.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Chef!
Thank you! Ang maipapangako ko na yung content, yung mga ilalabas natin, ay mga pagkain pa rin at lutuin na pwede nyong gayahin sa mga bahay ninyo, pwede nyong ipakain sa mga pamilya ninyo.
Hulaan nyo, Filipino food to actually.
Paunahan.
Paunahan.
May 1 minute na paramihan ang mahulaan ka, ha? Alright, 1 minute, sino nagta-time? Alright, are we ready? Timer ready?
Mandaluyong, Cebu, Iloilo, Davao, Pampanga.
Baguio is the answer. Perfect.
I always say this, hindi ko alam what I did or what am I doing to actually deserve. Kasi di ba nagbalalaan kayo ng oras para mag-comment, para mag-share, ganyan. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung ginawa ko to deserve that. Gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng sumuporta at nagbigay ng kanilang, nag-extend ng kanilang tulong dito sa ating meet and greet. I want to thank Everything But Cheese, Mama Sita, my Mama Sita family na always so supportive, ano man yung projects or kaya yung mga initiatives ko. Also, CDO, thank you very much for providing gift bags for today. I would like to invite everyone, all creators out there or aspiring creators, to explore Blogga Creator Hub. BCH, or as what we call Beach, is built with a creator in mind. Kaya merong iba't ibang rooms, may makeup rooms, may green room, may sleeping studio, pwede kang mag-podcast sa isang room. Laging tandaan, anumang lasa ng buhay, God is good all the time! Woohoo! Cheers!